Hey guys, we are out in the back garden and there is just so much abundance, not only for us, but for all my awesome pollinators from my honeybees from my hive. Look at them. This is broccoli that has gone to seed, and I leave a lot of it to go to seed on purpose because it is like a fall food for them. And you can see and hear. Let's listen to them for a second. They are just eating this up, literally. So we are still, it's just, what an abundance of blessings. We are going into October pretty darn tootin' soon, and the weather has been phenomenal, right? The end of August gave us a good scare with a attempt of frost, but it didn't. And everything kind of died back, but everything's still trying to, it's like, oh my gosh, we can still keep chugging along. We just harvested a bunch of broccoli. You can see there's still some more I can come and harvest. I'm just looking, some of my broccoli at the very end will get aphids. That's why we can't plant Brussels sprouts back here, because the aphids just love the brassicas. So I get them, so it's better for me to plant my broccoli and cauliflower and stuff like that quicker. Anyways, so we're back here just marveling at this. So we found mushrooms, and that was my son's homemade carrion thing. There's actually still purple blooms on my famous purple potted pole bean trellis. It is phenomenal. There's actually some beans that we can harvest that are small still. This is like unheard of. Like, I don't know what to do. It's prolonging getting everything ready for winter, but what a blessing to be able to come back and still harvest all the wonderful things. And this is, again, this is just the back garden. We've got squashes and all kinds of wonderful things. So eventually I'll do a video on the garden wrap up on how we kind of prepare for winter. But for now, we are reaping the rewards of his blessings and our hard work and all the pig poop. I am so excited this year. We have so many wine caps that have been fruiting for us from just placing the spawn this year underneath my broccoli in the back garden here. So thank you, North Spore. So exciting that it actually worked out in the short time frame that we're here up in northern Michigan. So, but we will definitely be doing this again in the garden next year.